back, guys. So as promised, I am back here again and I'm coloring my hair. This time I'm trying another new product that I've never tried before, so this is all a brand new experience for me. But I went to my local Sally's Beauty and I purchased a couple bottles of the brand called Arctic Fox. We're gonna be trying out today these three shades here. So I have Blue Jean Baby, I don't know if you guys can see that. We have Aquamarine. And then I purchased a larger bottle of the Phantom Green because this is going to be the key color that we're going to be coloring. And as you guys can see, I've got a lot of hair to work with. So a bottle of what I already had on hand before from something else I was trying to do was the Creative Image Adore Lavender shade, number 90. So here's what I'm thinking of doing. I really want to do like an emerald green color for the most part of my hair, but in the roots, I'm thinking about mixing maybe the Blue Jean Baby with a little bit of the lavender, just to kind of get a little bit of a darker root area so it kind of fades nicely. And as you can see, I was contemplating, I wasn't sure if I should start with a fresh base and just go in with bleaching my roots first and then kind of going in with the colors, but we'll see. I've never really used Arctic Fox, so I'm not quite sure if it's going to take to my darker roots, but I did want like a darker root kind of look, so it's, I don't know, guys, we're going to see. It's going to either work for me or against me, so, you know, they say that we learn from our failures, so if it ends up being that way, we'll try something else later. I did make some swatches on a piece of paper just to kind of get an idea. Right over here, I mixed the lavender color and then that Blue Jean Baby. So I'm kind of liking this effect here. And then down here, I have a little bit of the Aquamarine mixed with the Phantom Green. And real quickly, right before we get started, I just want to go over your other essentials you're going to need for this whole process. So definitely want to make sure you have mixing bowl. Since we're doing a couple colors, I also have just a spare plastic bowl that I'm okay with, you know, working off of. You're definitely going to want to need your applicator brush. I also got this one also at Sally's Beauty. This is like a small angle brush. I thought it would be good to maybe kind of just detail in some of the roots and I don't know, something a little bit smaller to work with. Fine tooth comb, always nice to help section off your hair. Hair clips or hair ties, whatever you have at your disposal. And then obviously you don't want to forget the gloves. I mean, this is definitely going to get messy, so count on getting a little bit of color product on your skin, whether it's around the face. You can always use products like Vaseline to kind of go around like the forehead area and, you know, the bottom here, just to make sure you don't have color transferring onto the skin. But of course, everything washes off over time. So gloves, spare shirt, whatever you can, you know, dirty up and you don't mind getting color product on, or a towel, whatever works. So I don't know, I'm the guinea pig today, so for your entertainment pleasure, let's start coloring. right, guys, hard part is finally over. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it in for about 40 minutes or so and then go rinse out with cold water. And I can see that there's a little bit of stain kind of on the skin, but not too worried about that. I know that's gonna come out. So, all right, guys, after 40 minutes, I'm gonna rinse and then I will be back with you guys to show you the final results. Stay tuned.